Hello my friend, I'm called Ineza Guy. Welcome to my channel. Let me show you how you can print hello world in Dart. Let me create a new folder. I hope you have Dart in your machine. Let me call it Dart PR. If you don't have Dart, just check in the description of this video. You can get the links to install Dart or Flutter in your machine. So Dart PR, the folder I created. Let me open my VS Code. It's very easy. You can use even Notepad, what you want. And let me just open this folder here in my VS Code and create a new file and call it hello world dot dart. The extension is dot hello world. Okay, this is it. Then do void main, which means we will not return anything, and then let me print the hello world, and then you have to enter by semicolon and save, then terminal, new terminal, and then do, let me just, then do that, then the name of your file, hello world. Let me do this so you can see very well. Hello world dot dart, then do enter. You see it prints hello world here, hello world. But if you don't have that in your machine, or you don't have your machine with you which have that or Flutter, you can run it on internet by using dartpad.dartlang.org. I will put the link in the description of this dartpad. So I can delete this. Let me delete everything here, and then do void main to show it is the same as in VS Code. On print hello world. If you are just checking that how it works, you can just use that pad. Not so difficult to use that pad. Let me run it again. I don't know what the problem. Okay, you see hello world. Yeah, that's it. So you can just click subscribe to my channel and everything will be okay. Peace.